Dates can be entered in Excel in a number of ways. The simplest and I think the best way to enter dates is to type the day and then the month name and the year. For example, I'll type 3 and then March and then 2013 and press enter. Using this method, you remove any doubt as to what the date is that you're entering. The reason for this is that some countries use dates expressed as day, month, year, and in the US we use month, day, year. So what this means is that in some countries 1-4-2013 would be the 1st of April. In the US this is the 4th of January. If I were to type 4 and then dash JAN-2013, there would be no doubt at all as to exactly what date I'm entering into this worksheet. To enter today's date in a worksheet, hold the Control key on your keyboard and press the semicolon key, and then press enter. This is today's date. That shortcut key will always give you today's date. Now let's do that again. I'll press Control and semicolon to again enter today's date and press enter. Something a little unexpected has happened. In some situations this may happen to you when you type a date in a cell. You may see quite a large number appear instead of the date. The reason for this is that you're seeing how Excel calculates dates. Excel expresses a date as the number of days that have expired since the 1st of January 1900. So the value that appeared when I pressed Control and semicolon is the number of days, 41,263, that have expired between the 1st of January 1900 and today, the 20th of December 2012. If you ever see a large number like this appear in a cell instead of a date, all you need to do is to reformat the number so it shows as a date and not a number. With the cell selected, from the number format box here, I'm just going to click Short Date, and that will solve the problem for now. When you're typing dates in, you can type a dash or a slash. 1-4-2013 will be entered by Excel as a date. It just replaces the dashes with this / character, but I can also enter it with the / character myself. It doesn't matter which way I do it. Dates, like numbers, are automatically aligned to the right of a cell. If I type an impossible date, such as 21-12-2013, which in the United States does not exist because there is no 21st month, notice what happens when I press enter. This entry is aligned to the left of the cell, in the same way that text items are aligned to the left. Excel is treating this as a text entry and not as a date. This is an indication to us that we typed the date incorrectly. However, if we were to this time type that same date as 21-DEC-2013, this time Excel will recognize that as a date and enter it into the cell.